Next up, we are going to upload a document to our website and then link to that document from within our website. So there's basically two steps to this process. And let's get started. First of all, you see where you're at site content. There's an array up top of tabs here. The two tabs that you will use a lot of are site content and files and images right next to it. So let's click on files and images. Here we are. It brings up another directory tree on the left hand side, and you've got an array of folders, and each of these folders has content. Let's click on the PDFs folder. Okay, and here we are. On the right hand side, you're presented with all the documents within this folder entitled PDFs. And if I were to mouse over these, you can see on the very far right hand side we can check the details of each of these files, or we can delete each of these files. So let's click on this and check the details. You just have a name and title, the actual file name, and that's about it. None of the content is the content really is not that important. It's really more for the purposes of organizing documents and being able to differentiate documents that may have the same file name. Let's close this down. Okay, and what we're going to do is I have a PDF file called sample.pdf, and I'm going to upload it into our PDFs folder, and that will be the file that we link to later on. So this is our first step, and we want to add files to this folder. So we click on this button here, and we're going to upload that file from our computer. So we click on this top button, and it opens a window. We can search for our file, and here it is. I put it on my desktop. So I highlight it, and then I click open, or select if you are on a Windows machine. And so it's queued up, it's ready to go, but we haven't yet uploaded it. The final step we need to take is we click on this upload button, and there it is. And if we were to show all of the results within this folder, we should be able to find it. A quicker way would be to organize your folder by the title. So if I were to click on title, there we are, it's organized alphabetically, and the document we're looking for is titled, there it is, sample.pdf. Okay, so we know it's in there, and now the second step is to link to it. So let's return to our site content up here on the top tab, and this warning always happens. You just click OK or cancel it out. Okay, now let's find that test page that we had made. That new page should be near the bottom. There it is. Okay, I'm already there. And we have this little block of text, and let's make this block of text link to that file that we just uploaded. So let's highlight all of it, and again we're going to go to Insert Link button, click on it, and this third window pops up, and we have our selections, our choices, and we want it to download a file. Since it's a PDF document, people will be downloading those. They can view them in their browsers, but a lot of people tend to download PDFs, print them out. So let's click on Download a File, and now this window opens here below. It's a drop-down menu, so we have to choose our file. And remember, we put it in the PDF folder, which is right there. Okay, so let's click on this little plus sign, and that will open the contents of that folder. Page down, it's probably going to be near the bottom. There it is, sample. So I've clicked on it, and let's insert it. Okay, once we clicked insert, you see it changes. An icon of a PDF document appears alongside it. Okay, let's save that now. And we're going to view it in the draft view, the draft site view. Down here on the bottom, left hand side, click on draft site, and there it is. This is a test page. We highlight it, mouse over it, and it lights up. And let's click on it. And there it is. There's our sample.pdf file. Now if we wanted to remove this link, all we have to do is just highlight it, and up here alongside insert link is unlink. Click, and that's it. It's unlinked. I won't save it though. I'll leave it as so.